keep giving me love.
Hey guys, my name is Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these eyelash extensions and how I did them myself at home for less than 10 bucks. So really quick disclaimer, I am not a professional. I'm not certified to do eyelashes. I know what I'm doing, but like, I'm not a professional. I'm not licensed to do this. So if you do it at home, please be careful. The way I did it, I did glue the eyelashes on the underneath of my eyes, so it's a little tricky and it's a little hard. It was my first time gluing them on like that myself, but it's not that hard. You just have to be really careful that you don't get it in your eyes. So in the clips you're gonna see next, I showed that I used this like semi-permanent adhesive. I decided that this was a little bit too strong and I didn't like how it like kind of like when it got near my eye, it burned my eyes. So I just grabbed my regular Duo lash glue from my drawer and I actually used this to apply them. So just so you guys are aware, I did use a different glue than I showed in the video, but I will also, so this is just so that you guys know, I did not use the glue that you're going to see. I used this one. Okay, they look really natural and they cost me probably about 10 bucks, 5 bucks for the lashes and 5 bucks for the glue. So I think that this is a really affordable alternative to regular lashes. And at least for me, like, lash extensions are fucking expensive. And this is my first time, like I said, doing it underneath the lashes, like from the underneath. And I think it looks really good and I think it looks really natural. And the lashes I used are new from Ardell, and they're the Remy lashes and they look so natural and they feel so soft as if they're like regular eyelashes. So I'm really happy with how the results turned out, and if you guys want to see how you can do this at home for less than $10, keep watching. That's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need any pair of strip lashes that you would like. Then you're gonna need some lash glue, but make sure you get the one made specifically for individual lashes. Scissors to cut your lashes to the size that you want. Smaller pointed tweezers, as well as these kind of like thicker tweezers. Don't mind, they have a little they have a little mascara on them, but yeah, so I have like these two tweezers, and then I also just brought some aluminum foil because I'm gonna fold this up and I'm gonna put my glue on it. And so yeah, that's pretty much all you're gonna need. I know I'm definitely forgetting something, maybe not. If I am forgetting something, then yeah, I'll mention it later. Alright, I'm gonna use these, which are the Ardell. I took them out of their package, but this is the package. These are the lashes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut them into 3. So I'm gonna measure out my eye, put it over my eye. I'm gonna use a mirror, duh. And I'm gonna just kind of like place it over my eye and just see about how much I'm gonna need. And just like cut a few of them, and that was probably not in focus. So I'm gonna cut the front few first. So like I said, I'm cutting into 3 sections. So we have our front, and the most important step is to just make sure your eyes are clean. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just, where's my cotton pad? I'm just gonna put some like oil-free makeup remover on a cotton round, and then I'm just gonna like gently wipe down my eye and then down the eye area as well. Some glue and put it on the back of my tweezer, and then I'm going to be placing the glue on top of the lash band. So this is really bad, but I'm going to be putting it on top of the lash band. So opposite of how you would put on strip lashes. And I'm going to put that right under there. Lash underneath my real lash. So I'm going to be putting it underneath. So again, letting it dry. So this is just one section. This is what it looks like. Okay, letting it dry. Letting it get tacky, and then I'm gonna get up under my lashes. And be careful you don't stick it to your eyelid. Like, be careful you don't stick it to your inner eyelid. And then I'm just gonna go in and kind of like squeeze it together. So now I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the middle section. So again, remember I made 3 sections, so I'm just putting the glue on the top of the lash band. I'm losing patience, and I know for sure that we've been right here before. I see the dangers, baby, I'm not crying over you. Start to do the next piece, but so far so good. So sometimes you want to kind of just like adjust it, so you want to like kind of push it down a little bit so it's not so pointy, and you just, you know, you just sometimes have to play with it. There's no point denying we're through, 'cause baby I'm not crying over you. There's just shit that I've gotta do, so I'm not crying. I don't really mind the gap too much because it makes my lashes look wispy, and I kind of like the wispy look. So I went ahead and did the other eye, and now I feel cute. What do you think? Lashes make such a difference. Like, wow, I feel like a badass bitch right now. Like Starbucks. I'm such a basic bitch. I also like go outside and take some Instagram pictures because I look cute with my lashes. But then the best part about it is you can't even tell. So I'm like gonna like stand up and like look down so you can see, and then I'll look up. That's when you can tell. Like if I look all the way up, you probably can see them, but like I probably look crazy. But like that's it. You can't tell that I have lashes on. I mean like strip lashes. Like you would think that these were, at least I'd be fooled. I think they were like individual lash extensions done, and you probably paid like a lot of money. So save yourself. This cost me about 10 bucks to do, and I look like a badass bitch. Okay guys, so as you see, I put them on and I went and did my makeup, and here we are. So this is how they look with my makeup on. Again, they look really, really natural. I'll like look down. They look really, really natural, and it cost me way, way, way less than lash extensions, and it was so much easier to do it like this than it was to like glue on top. I found that gluing underneath creates obviously like a much more natural look to the eyes. So as you can see, like there's like little gaps in between like the when we place the 3, but that's okay because it gives it a more like wispy effect, and that's the kind of look I go for. I go for a wispy lash. Look, like I just got my eyelashes done at the salon. Like these look so good. I'm really happy with the way they turned out, and you guys can see obviously that I did these at home, and you can do them too. It's really easy. And it, like I said, it didn't cost me a lot of money. It was pretty cheap to do, and like it might not last as long as something done at the salon, but it costs you a fraction of the price. So to me, it's worth it if I have to like re-glue them on in a few days. It's not that big of a deal to me, but at least it's not damaging to my natural lashes, because I think that's the problem when you do lash extensions, is you worry that they're gonna damage your natural eyelashes. So for me, I definitely don't want my natural lashes to be damaged. But I hope that I was informative in the clips where I was filming me putting on the lashes, because it was hard. It was not that easy to get like the camera to be in the camera frame while I was doing it. And if you do try it out, let me know how it went in the comments below. Also, if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I would be very thankful for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.